Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this lecture, we will discuss about the MDCAT past paper biology MCQs. This is the part one. The first 20 MCQs will be discussed in this lecture. MCQs number one is negative feedback mechanism is the characteristic of which class? Class fish, class amphibian, class reptilian, or class mammalia. So best answer is the class mammalian. Negative feedback mechanism is the characteristic of class mammalia. Function of papillary muscles are papillary muscles. These are found in the heart. Mainly, they are responsible to prevent backflow of blood from the ventricles. Correct pathway of the blood flow is arterioles, capillaries, meta-arterioles, uh, thoroughfare channels, or arterioles, thoroughfare channels, capillaries are meta-arterioles, arterioles, meta-arterioles, thoroughfare channel, capillaries, arterioles, meta-arterioles, or thoroughfare channels. The best answer is the option number C, arterioles, then meta-arterioles, thoroughfare channel, and capillaries. So we can understand this by this diagram. These are the arterioles. The arteries that are originates from the aorta that are called arterioles. And then we have the meta-arterioles. After the meta-arterioles, we have the thoroughfare channels and then capillaries. So best pathway for the blood is the arterioles, meta-arterioles, thoroughfare channel, and capillaries. Intrinsic factors are secreted by liver, pancreas, stomach, or duodenum. So intrinsic factors are secreted by the stomach. Gaseous exchange in plants takes place through stomata. Translocation of organic solutes takes place through sieve tubes. Identify the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood from the given options. So oxygenated blood are carried out by the pulmonary vein that carry the blood from the lungs towards the left auricle. The cell which plays a very important role in developing immunity. Lymphocytes are used in developing immunity. Where is the blood pressure the greatest? The blood pressure mainly greatest in the aorta. Autoimmune disease act at the principle of self against self. Urine leaves the kidney through a tube that is called ureter. Digestion of which component of food starts in the buccal cavity? So digestion of the carbohydrates start in the buccal cavity. In human gut, chylomicrons are formed by the combination of fats and proteins. Dark reaction of photosynthesis occurs in stroma. Which of the following occurs in the body in response to the secretion of glucagon? The production of CMP in the target cell is the production is in the response of the glucagon. All the other are conversion of glucose to glycogen, decrease in glucose concentration, increase uptake of glucose by muscle cells. These are the function of the insulin. Almost all freshwater animals and most invertebrates are these are osmoregulators. In marine environment, the iron secreted by kidneys is magnesium ion. Which organ is called the body thermostat? The hypothalamus is called the body thermostat. Sodium uptake in ascending loop is controlled by aldosterone. Multinucleated mass of bone cell is called osteoclast. Thank you so much. These are the first 20 MCQs of the MDCAT previous test. Biology portion, we will discuss more MCQs in the further lectures. Thanks. Keep watching Biology Learning Zone for more MCQs and previous papers.